ChatGPT 4 is officially here, confirming the long-time rumors around its improvements to the already incredible language-based model of OpenAI ChatGPT 3.
Because it's true.
Here are some important things that you need to know. ChatGPT 4 will be available in the paid subscription model of ChatGPT 3. ChatGPT 4 will also be available as an API for the developers to build applications and services.
That's real cool.
According to OpenAI, the next generation model GPT-4 is advanced in 3 key areas: creativity, visual input, longer text. In terms of creativity, OpenAI says GPT-4 it's much better at collaborating with users on creative projects. Example of these include music, screenplays, technical writing, and even learning a user's writing style.
I'm so excited!
GPT-4 can now process 25,000 word text from the user.
Wow!
Believe me, you can now just send a web link to GPT-4 and ask it to interact with the text from that page.
Not bad.
OpenAI says this can be helpful for creating long-form content as well as to the extended conversations. GPT-4 now can also receive images as a basis for the interaction. It's not currently known that we can use video also in similar form as the image, but let's see in the future.
I am impressed.
Look, this is a big disruption in the AI space, and they're constantly improving their previous language models.